How to use emotional intelligence to manage bad behavior. Insights on the disadvantages that can lead to a weak mindset. In this message, I'll share my story about how to use emotional intelligence to manage bad behavior. I'm not perfect. I went through challenging periods in my life to understand why it's important to develop your mindset. I used to be paranoid. My mind was weak, and the disadvantages of not knowing myself had bad consequences. I was always on high alert, waiting for someone to rub me the wrong way so I could pounce on them. I was too cautious, and I hated seeing people chit-chat around me due to paranoia. At my peak, I used to argue and oppose people just to be on the other side of the conversation. My heart was unsettled, and I didn't know why. When you fail to control your emotions, you become a sponge. You mimic every emotion you interact with, which means I was easily swayed by people who got under my skin. That's why it's important to learn how to control your emotions. The advantages of controlling your emotions. When you know yourself and what triggers you, the fact that you understand what affects you is the key you need in your life. For example, when I learned about the type of anxiety that affected me, I learned how to manage it by remaining calm when triggered. The result was positive because it meant that people couldn't gaslight me. The advantage is that I found myself having long periods throughout the day where I was not affected by other people's behavior. Remember, you cannot control how people engage with you, but you control how you react. I always smile when I reminisce about how easy it was for people to move me. I don't move easily anymore. And it's not because I'm difficult, but it's because I choose to make good decisions. How to use emotional intelligence to manage bad behavior. It's you who decides how you interact with people. I choose to engage you in a calm manner, but if you persist to gaslight me, then walking away is my decision. Therefore, if you want to grow, you have to manage your emotions. Use this formula to develop your well-being. Be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to be angry, and you'll find yourself having long days with less anxiety and stress. Conclusion. When you learn how to use emotional intelligence to manage bad behavior, it safeguards your heart and mind. When you choose to deal with your problems, you move on to the next level where living with less anxiety and stress is achievable. Always be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry, and you'll make better decisions in your life. And that's today's message. If you found value in the content, drop a comment below and share this message.